Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today I have the Bape Adidas Stan Smith collaboration. Just came out last week and it's available on most Adidas online retailers, at malls, things like that. So quite a few sizes are still available. So it comes with, I believe these are extra laces. Oh, these are very nice. These are ABC camo colored laces. That's very nice. And it's got a bathing ape at the tips there. Very nice to truly engulf the shoe in bathing ape camo. Then you got the extra pouch here for the shoes in blue camo. Very nice. It's got the Adidas branding there, and most likely you got the bathing ape branding as well. So all very nicely styled packaging as always from the Adidas Bape collection. You got the Bape line camo and also the Adidas logo trifoil in gold, and here you have the beautiful Stan Smith collaboration with Bape. It came out with a more plain colorway earlier last year, I think. So finally, this was revealed, the final colorway, which was actually teased by Stan Smith himself. I think there was an IG post somewhere where he was holding this last year, and I was thinking, why aren't they releasing this? Probably friends and family, I thought, but anyway, here we are, the global release of the exclusive ABC Camo Stan Smith. I don't have Stan Smith shoes, but this will be my first pair. Okay, you got 30th anniversary logo, nice plastic gold bling. Stan Smith here on the tongue. You have the slightly hard leather tongue. And you of course got the nice little gold accents for the Bape. Yeah, very nice. Underneath, pretty standard Adidas Stan Smith soles. On the sides, got Adidas branding there. The texture, really nice, quite smooth. All right, you got the white laces, comes stock. On the inside, you got the bathing ape inner sole, which is nice. You got the code sizing here, as you can see, made in China. And yeah, pretty cool. So that's the right side. On the left side, any difference? Yes, there is, of course. On the left side, you got the Stan Smith, the man himself, the face, right? So there's a slight difference there. As you can see right there. A bit hard to pick up, but yes, kind of embossed into the tongue right there. 20th anniversary as well. On the inner sole, you got the Adidas branding. So Adidas on the left side, right side, you got Bape. The heel, similarly, you've got different logos as well. It's quite standard. They don't have a unique, like Adidas Bape. They just go side to side, you know, that kind of thing. So it has the card as well, right here. Got a size US 11, UK 10.5. I thought it would be 11.5 US, but that's okay. Plenty of sizes still available. Do not pay over retail, because I believe this is a global release. There's plenty of stock available. So there are plenty of pairs, plenty of sizes. So don't worry about that. I see them all over the place, especially from adidas.com, Atmos, this for what I know. Yep, the print, of course, is beautiful, fantastic. Easy to wear, but I would suggest not going with with long pants. I prefer them with 3/4 pants. They look cool. And yeah, looks solid. So hope you like this quick unboxing. Yeah, please do get it if you like Stan Smith especially. Right? Hope you like the video. Subscribe, comment, follow me on IG LKHO3, LKHOE23. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.